like umbrella. Guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. And Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. So guys, on today's topic actually, we'll be visiting the worst reviewed makeup artist and nothing but the worst reviewed makeup artist in my city, yo guys. Oh. So for those of you thinking Mary J. Black, she's sick, so no more review of the worst reviewed makeup artist in her city or in your city. Baby, you're right.
This is just a tip of an iceberg.
Oh yeah, this is just the beginning, guys. Yeah. I will review a lot of makeup artists. The worst, the best, the worst, the best, transformation, a lot more. So you guys should please stay tuned because we'll be visiting the worst reviewed makeup artists in my city, Kaduna State. And for those of you asking Mary J. Black, please, how many worst reviewed artists you have in Kaduna State? Actually, I'm from Nigeria and Kaduna to be precise. We have a lot of local government here in Kaduna State, so we happen to have a lot of worst reviewed and best reviewed makeup artists in my city. If I'm not mistaken, more than 2,000 or 3,000 worst reviewed makeup artists in my city. Yo guys, say hi to my camera. Say hi. So guys, you'll be seeing a lot of worst reviewed makeup artists, worst reviewed makeup artists, best reviewed makeup artists, transformation on this channel. So you guys should please stay tuned because Miss Muhammad here,
I will be the one to feature it.
yeah. So guys, it's still your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. And Miss Muhammad is a beauty, babies. Okay, you are the makeup artist. How much please for makeup? Huh? Which one do you want? Let me show you the look. Man. This one? Yeah, this very look. How much?
I should sit here.
Yes. How much?
Now the one you really like.
Yes.
I'm going for it.
She's going for some. She's short of words, right? Yeah, short of words. Just tell us your price.
Pay 3,000.
Alright, no problem.
Please, is this the gum you're using? Hope it's not pepperish.
You know, there's this pepperish gum. I don't like that kind of gum. It's not the type. Okay. Muhammad in the building. Babies.
Guys, that's the end of the makeup for today. Actually, this makeup artist, she's worst at makeup. You know, her brushes are so dirty, and her friend was not just with her in Yoruba that thank God you washed all your brush yesterday. I said, eh? She washed all her brushes yesterday, and I was like, so I didn't mean she didn't wash those brushes. Still, the brushes are still dirty. That's how she.
It's more dirtier than the way.
Yes. And you know what, guys? She didn't wipe my face. She had to send someone to go and get a face wipes for her. We almost finished all the makeup before she started wiping my face.
Actually, from the start, Miss Mama was like, she was trying to bring out wipe, because we know whenever we went for anything wash reveal makeup, we always have our wipes. So Miss Mama was trying to give her a wipes. So Anan said to Miss Mama, don't give her. Let's see if she have wipes.
And her contour is on another level. You guys will see it. The way she does her contour, no, she don't know anything. This makeup artist, I dislike her makeup skills. I don't fancy her makeup skills at all. Look at the eyeshadow. Everything, eyeshadow, lashes. No, I don't like her makeup skills.
Miss Mama, you're looking so beautiful, baby.
How? Like this?
So beautiful.
She has succeeded in
Miss Mama, model for us. Yo. Bring it on. Whoa.
The most annoying part
What?
with this makeup artist, the way they will so put their banner will be so big. They will put all these fine images. You think maybe they are the ones that did the makeup, only for you to go to their makeup studio. The makeup items that they have is not up to 10 or 4, but the pictures that they will put on their
you think they are James Charles?
You think maybe they are James Charles. My eyes.
Actually, Sha.
No, she has succeeded in transforming me into a clown. Anything for you guys. Worst reviewed makeup to the world.
Best reviewed makeup
to the world.
Transformation
To the world.
Yeah, guys.
Still your favorite girl, Mary J. Black, and Mix Muhammad in the building. Babies, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and don't forget to
subscribe.
And if you are new here, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe.
You're supposed to subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you. It's still your favorite girl, Mary J. Black, and Miss Muhammad in the building, babies.